up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley. I go by Pink-UniBudgetz here on YouTube and TikTok and Instagram. Make sure to follow me on them platforms so you could get access to exclusive content, so you can see what I'm doing outside of YouTube. But if you are new here, thank you so much for clicking on my video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like this video. Today we are doing a monthly saving challenges. We got the Easter savings because Easter is next month, so we're getting ready to do a outfit, or get ready to do an outfit, ready to get an outfit. So today, let me see how much I have. I don't have that much today, so let's see. I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 1, 2, 4, 60, 160, 170, 180, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91. So we have 191. Yes, 191. So that is what we're going to be. I don't even know why I pulled that out. I just counted it real quick. 191 that we're cash stuffing today. It's not a lot, but it's going to be... I am using this for like multiple videos. So this video will be the Easter savings challenge and my monthly savings challenge that will be cash stuffing. And then the next one will be the Hey Now, Say Now sinking funds. And I think we'll try to squeeze in a little bit of cash stuffing for my envelopes. I have 3 envelopes left. So, all right, let's get into it. We are in March. We are in March. So we are going to be coloring this in, which states, I think I did 30 because I've been here for sure. And been here. And here. Okay, comment down below if you know what these states are. I'm gonna test your map knowledge. Okay. So name these 3 states in the blue that I have been to, and let me know your map skills. So we did 30. So I'm gonna just grab a 20 and a 10. So we're done with this one. And now we have our Easter savings challenge. Let's pick. We did purple before. We're gonna do I think we said we're gonna do $20. So let's go ahead and do, we could do this flying girl right here. I know I'm coloring horribly. And if you are doing this challenge, I do have this available on my website for free, so you can go ahead and follow along and then get you an Easter outfit or anything that you want to do for Easter, like get you some eggs, get, you know, the little the food coloring, so you could do like an Easter egg hunt. Because with this challenge, I believe you get $53. What, 10, 15, 20, yeah. And I'm gonna do purple because I want to. And these are just like highlighters, so they're not like real markers. To $20. And then we will come back, and when we're done with this challenge, and we'll come back and we'll see how much we was able to save in March. Alrighty, I know my coloring is horrible, you guys. I bet you guys have way better, you know, coloring. Make sure to follow me on Instagram on Pink-UniBudgetz and DM me. Like, if you decided to do the Easter Savings Challenge, go ahead, DM me so I could put it in my stories, just so we could all be like, oh, we did the Easter Savings Challenge together. Yes, girl. And we was able to save some coin all together. So go ahead and do that, and don't forget to subscribe. We're gonna be moving on to the next video. I know this video wasn't that long, you guys, but I am posting every day, so we're gonna try to squeeze out. We're gonna save as like every little bit counts, as Sweet Kiki says here on YouTube. Make sure to go follow her too. She's super duper sweet, and every little bit counts. So I'm just cruising on through, and we'll try to save up our little coins. I'm so excited. I feel like I made a lot of progress, so we're gonna keep on going, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye. Yeah.